Welcome to Zorklon5. My name is Dan, and I developed this text-based adventure RPG during the spring of 2020 as a challenge to myself to develop a large, self-initiated project. Zorklon5 is assembled entirely using functional programming in Python 3 and is heavily indebted to Zed Shaw's excellent book, Learn Python the Hard Way. Its name is an homage to the classic RPG game Zork. In Zorklon5, the player finds themselves on a deserted planet and must navigate through a map in order to acquire tools and develop skills which will enable them to leave the planet. There are several mechanics included in the game. One of them is the fighting mechanic, which is programmed as its own separate function which takes two objects as parameters, the hero and the baddie. The player chooses their action, run, fight, or eat to regain health, and after the action the baddie attacks. If the player chooses to fight, their success is determined by a randomized call determining a hit, a miss, or a critical hit. The baddies have similar chances, although their numbers change depending on the baddie. Furthermore, the hero's hit damage can change based on items in their inventory. If the player defeats the baddie, they're able to move on, explore new portions of the map, and search for the materials they need to survive. If not, however, the player dies, and that's it. One more mechanic available is the workshop. Available only at the player's home base, and only if certain items are equipped, the player can take raw materials and transform them into useful tools. In order to gather certain materials, the player must first visit certain areas, and in order to access those areas, the player must fight certain baddies and survive. And since some baddies can't be defeated without certain weapons, the challenge of the game is to combine the right approach with a little bit of luck in order to win. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more info or to check out the source code, please check out the link below.